Eddie and his wife are getting a new apartment. It's in the middle of the city. The city is very, very busy, and they are living, they are moved freshly in, looks all very good, but somehow they arguing a lot. They are discussing much more things and small things already. They're trying to find a solution. And in all these daily life things, it's quite difficult to maintain this marriage. So, but they noticed that when they went out into the forest, immediately their relationship is very nice. All this what was a problem before, it was just like it's gone, and they just enjoy the time together. They go through the forest, they sit by the lake. It's a wonderful time. They enjoy, they talk, all the good things. After this wonderful day, they come back to the apartment, and it's starting the discussing this, and this is not good, and shouting, arguing. And what is happening from this small story? It is too the influence from the outside, the cars, the city, maybe a lot of electro smoke, and all this have a negative influence on the body and on the thinking. So, but by changing the environment in this nature and all the forest and lakes and this is a very harmonious and healing energy what is for the body and for the thinking. Just by these two things we can do a lot, our life a lot better, by to be in the nature, to be more by the lake, just sitting by a tree. All these things, it's like the nature is a second part of us, and it is like a coin with two sides. The human is on one and the nature is on the other side of the coin. So together they are building a unity. This is extremely important too, to understand sometimes why in the Western world they are more so strongly now going into the why the person is thinking so much. So just be keeping it by this example, how important the nature is to stabilize our thought and emotional state.